This is Mondo with Fine Fires YouTube. We're about to fire it up over here at Six Flags Magic Mountain for Wonder Woman Flight of Courage. Front row or we don't go. Let's do this. Also, we got Noah. Big thank you to Discover the Magic for letting us do this media event today. And then we got Chris in the background. How you doing, Chris?
Chris, you good? I don't know about this.
Let's go.
I can't put my hands up. Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! We're so high! Oh my god! 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 We're upside down! Inside! Oh my god! We're upside down again! Oh my god! We're hanging! Oh my god! 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 I need a break!
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm gonna cry!
Let's go!
Oh!
Oh my god! Wow! Whoa! That is so intense.
I'm in pain.
I think the first row is the most intense. I've done the back, the middle. This is my first time in the front.
That was scary. So much fun though.
This is awesome. You got to come out to Six Flags and get on this ride. This is so much fun.